Memao Akwaba about programming with Python in Tree. Was our course we know ye baba share Konya Yefaso programming with the Python programming language. Any biara was say utumi ehuno as a Python programmer. What is Python programming language? Because a Python programming language, Python programming language, Python is a general purpose, high level programming language that allows you to write sets of instructions using simple words and easy syntax. It is a Python programming language. Because a Python programming language, a general purpose language. Nti yɛbɛhwɛ sentia yɛkasa ɛyɛ general purpose and essentially high level programming language. Nti yɛkasa sɛ high level language na yɛpatch say Python programming language use simple human readable syntax. Nti ɛno no ne rules edidi adwuma no. Yɛkasa syntax Python programming language edidi adwuma no. It is easy to be read by humans. And like I said, it uses simple human readable syntax. In Python syntax is designed in such a way that humans to read and write. You see words and phrases are close to human natural language. And because of this, we say Python is a high level language because syntax Python programming language edidi jumano esse the human natural language na it uses simple words and phrases. The other thing is Python is a general purpose programming language. Why is Python general purpose? So because Python a general purpose na your patch say it me use Python programming language no edidi juma bebre enye bakope. The Python programming language, to me, it is not limited to only one area or sector. The areas are to me use Python programming language. Areas where Python is used. To me use Python programming language web development. It is a basic design website. It will use Python programming language, at the building the back end of the website. There will frameworks be a frame Django, there will be a frame Flask, we will Python frameworks a boa my to me a design website. The EduOBM, we use Python in data analysis and science. It say Ebiana ye will data be. You draw conclusion. You take a decision based on that data. Now, Python programming language. There were so many libraries. There were AUC, deep subdomain. The Python programming language is also used in data analysis and science. It me AUC Python programming language. There were machine learning and AI. The essential libraries I would work in. Say Ibiana, they develop intelligent systems. They are able to detect objects. Now, they are able to learn on their own. It me use Python programming language. So, it is about machine learning, any artificial intelligence. It me use Python programming language. After say a man say you develop a game. So when it comes to game development and education, Python programming language, it me essentially you see Python programming language to develop these games. And here were some other libraries which is a Pygame, your Panda 3D, and the ethical can one. It me you see develop games. Last one I become say Ebiana a develop systems these systems are able to do things automatically. So when we think of developing such systems, it means you see Python programming language developing such systems. So we have automation and scripting. Any the ethical account it means you see Python programming language. These are areas when we now and then a map Python a general purpose programming language. The actual brief history about Python. The Python programming language, was created in 1989 by Guido van Rossum. Nti obi o create Python programming language in a Guido van Rossum, oye Dutch computer programmer. Guido van Rossum created Python programming language in the year 1989. Nti van Rossum released the first Python, no friend of Python 0.9.0. Initially no, na yem friend no Python. Release first one no friend Molder. Obi baby says and the Python no efre he. The other thing na yem friend Molder bio. Na fe ye friend no Python. Nipa bebre adwene eye won say Python programming language no enya ni din no efri the popular snake ayin na yeni. Facture me say Ediana Maskel with this particular image. The nipa bebre adwene eye won say Python programming language was named after this particular snake. Baby, enye sa netie. Yamfa Python programming language anto sa aboawe. Memom na ye wo British comedy group bia sa group within the Monty Python's Flying Circus. Monty Python's Flying Circus. Sa comedy group we na ye yin wo BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. Na nipa o create Python programming language no a serious fan of that particular comedy. Sa comedy no the real omoye no na eye no fe oye na adwen say and sa me programming language me the better that particular word comedy group. Until initially oye na adwen say the obefa Monty any Python no na wafa MON na fe wafa THON no atwaso na nka babe mountain. But later no afi odwene bibi say the name fa edin simple na afi or resulted to the name Python. In the Python programming language enya ni din no from the snake Python. Memum Oda na the creator of the Python programming language. Ewoma this particular comedy group ni din a use no eno na original so the name the programming language. The various version of Python interpreters. We have had so many versions of Python being released from 1991 till today. So we have the Python 0.9.1 which was released in 1991. Then we have Python 1.0 1994. Then we have Python 1.5 1997. Atwa swa nafi yababenya the current version as at the time yes our video we now 3.13.2 the course we mono you babe use Python 3.13.2 this is we use Python 3.12 yes we betumi follow course and abra wonya how bia but the babe use education a Python programming language e was our course we Python 3.13.2 abribia no ayana eye say we use the latest release of Python. If we say the new and as the latest release of Python, abbreviation ayana it comes with what? With improvement. You prefer say we use the latest version of Python. Abra this particular lesson assignment. Question 1. What is Python programming language? Question 2. I don't think because Python is a general purpose programming language. Now question 3. Why a creative Python programming language? Question 4. So the Python programming language is named after the popular snake Python. Eyenokre and I say enye nokre. The paper say ube support the channel no. Next way, so ube like or subscribe to the channel. Now finish what share video no with others. Send a bear one so will be to me any video way so emphasis. Subscribe and share this video with others to also benefit. The Python introduction abawi afin na yeba be share first lesson how to set up our computer to be able to run the Python programming language.